What's up? It's PsychPause back again, and I'm going to show you how to make a crossword and Scramble puzzle book to sell on Amazon's KDP platform. This is without any design skills, a website, any type of content creation. Very simple and easy to do, okay? Also, make sure to like and subscribe to get more tutorials, guides, and courses like this one. And don't forget to watch this until the very end to get all the assets and tools I used in this tutorial, okay? Now, first thing I'm gonna do is go to the puzzles generator tool. I'm gonna be using a Crossword app and the Scramble app, okay? And the type of product I'm gonna be creating now is a fear and phobia puzzle book, okay? So, I'm gonna click on Access Now. I'm gonna click Create Crossword. I'm gonna put in the word fear. Okay, this is for me alone, so I can remember that I'm gonna be creating this type of book. I'm gonna click View. I'm gonna upload my file. I'm gonna write in here, put in here quickly, fear, and it should pop up. Here it is. Again, I'll have this file for you down below. You get this as well for free, this file. Okay, and as you can see, I have a fear crossword puzzle, fear and phobia crossword puzzle, right? And it's you have the puzzle, and you have the next page, solution, puzzle, solution. Okay, and I can play with the font here. I can do all kinds of really cool things by clicking on this this little toolbar here. Okay, I also have this global toolbar here, where I can change the whole book entirely. This one here just changes the particular page I'm on. Okay, so if I scroll down, I have, let me see how many pages I got. Well, that's a pretty big book. Got 24 pages, okay? I'm gonna download this as a PDF, okay? So I'm gonna go to this section right here. I like the way it looks already. I'm gonna click this download button. And I don't want PNG, right? I want PDF, okay? Now, really cool, I'm going to center align all the page numbers, okay? It's gonna do it for me. And I have actually several options I can use for the type of trim for Facebook, right? So, not Facebook, excuse me, Amazon. Amazon has certain types of trim, or book sizes, I should say, dimensions, that you can download, or upload your books to the Amazon KDP network for. I always, when it comes to puzzle books, I choose 8.5 inches by 11 inches, basically the US letter size, right? That's for the KDP network. Now I'm gonna create my Scramble book. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go to the words puzzle generator, click on Scramble, and I'm going to add my inputs. So again, you can have access to these exact same inputs down below here. Just click the link, you'll get on this page, and I will have the assets waiting for you on this link, along with the tools I use, the exact puzzle generator, and the exact tool I use to create my cover book for free. This is a free option here. Okay, anyways, let's go back. So here, I'm gonna add my inputs here. Let's put in fear 2 and view. Okay, now I'm gonna add my inputs. So again, write in fear. I think I saved the document as fear something or other. Let's find that. Here it is, fear Scramble. Okay, and here we go. Done first, right? So we have the problem here, and we have the solutions here. Okay, very simple to do. Again, if you want to change the whole book, maybe the font or color or what have you, you want to go to this global section right here. I want to double check the size, 8.5 by 11 inch. That's exactly what I want when I'm creating an activity book. So I'm going to download this, and I'm going to move on. Actually, before I move on to the cover, I want to combine the books. So first I want to click center align page numbers and click download, so I can download all 50 pages. And then I'm going to combine everything into one book, one interior, one puzzle book. Okay, so now that I have both my crossword fear and phobia puzzle book and my Scramble Fear and Phobia puzzle book. I want to combine the two. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a site called combinedpdf.com, and I'm going to drop the books right in here. So I'm first going to drop Fear, and then I'm going to drop Fear Part 2. Fear Part 2 is a scrambled puzzle book, and I'm going, once this is done uploading, I'm going to click Combine, and it does it for me absolutely for free. I don't know why I just clicked twice. Okay, so now let's create our KDP fear-based cover book for our puzzles. Okay, so here I have a blank slate on Canva. I'm using Canva. I use a free version of Canva. Again, all of the images that I'll be using in this video you can get down below. Make sure you check out that link for access, and also have link to this tool that I'm using right now absolutely for free. Okay, so let's go back to the blank slate. Just in case you're curious, the file size here is 17.84 inches by 11.25 inches. Okay, that's gonna make everything fit nice and snug and keep the Amazon gods happy. Okay, so here we have a white background. I'm gonna click on it, and I'm making a fear type of cover book. It's gonna be very simple, very minimalist. Here it is. We have a black background. Actually, let's make this yellow. Let's make this yellow, okay? And just to show you how I go about creating a cover book, I'm gonna show you this little template, this little bleed template, where it's gonna let me know if I'm going over the bleed or not, okay? Amazon cares about this kind of stuff. I'm also gonna click this position button here, and let me see if I can position this back. Okay, actually it's perfect the way it is. Now I'm going to add my elements. Okay, so first thing I want to do is add in my title. So I'm gonna go to text, click on the text button here, add headline, and I want to change the font to something scarier. I'm gonna use Edo, and I'm gonna write in here fear and phobia. And I'm gonna shrink it down a bit. As you can see, it's going over the bleed. I'm gonna shrink it down to 64. That's too much. Let's go to 80. That's just about right. Just like what's that little girl from the fairy tale? The one with the bears. Anyways, let me know in the comment section. Okay, fear and phobia. Here we go. Fear and phobia there. The next one, I'm gonna put another headline here. Goldilocks. Jesus Christ, I'm getting old. Her name was Goldilocks. Anyways, it was just right. Okay, Goldilocks said that. Okay, so here we are, fear and phobia, and in here I'm gonna put in fear and phobia scramble and crossword puzzle book. Let me fix that up here. Puzzle. Okay, cool. Now again, this is too big. This is actually the font's over the bleed, so I'm gonna shrink it down a little bit. I'm gonna go to, let me see here. I'm gonna go to 48. Let me shrink the whole thing down to, let's go to 32. That works. Actually, let's make it a little bit bigger. Excuse me, but I want to make it a little bit bigger. There we go. Let's change the font size. I recommend that you change the font first and then play around with the size of it. But yeah, that's gonna work for us here. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so fear and phobia scramble and crossword puzzle book. Now let's start adding our elements. It's very simple. Click on uploads. You're gonna want to upload your images here. Again, you get access to everything right over here. If you click the link down below, you get access to these buttons to help you automate this whole process. Okay, so you got this down. I'm gonna add in my my bat creature here to let people know that this is a this has to do with fear and phobia. Okay, a lot of people have not a lot of people, but there's some people who have phobias, bat phobias, right? Okay, and I'm also gonna add this crossword little graph here, image. I'm gonna, turn it around a bit. It's very simple to use. Just use your mouse and, drag it on over to any section of the book, okay? I'm gonna shrink it down. I'm gonna bring it here, right under this pterodactyl bat looking thing. Okay, so that's it. We're basically done. I'm gonna add this this woman disintegrating here for the back of the book, so we have at least something going on here. And that is it. I'm done with my cover book. Okay. Oh, I almost forgot. You don't want to keep the template background thing around. You want to get rid of that. Okay. So make sure you delete the template after you're done creating your cover book. So now that I'm done with my cover book, what you want to do next is upload it. Not only your cover book, but the actual interior. You upload them separately to the Amazon KDP network. Okay, now Amazon, the KDP network, you're gonna add your book as a paperback. Okay, Amazon takes care of everything. You sign up with Amazon, you add your bank account so they can send you your money as soon as you start selling these books. It's gonna take a couple of months, I believe. They gotta make sure everything's good and copacetic, and once you start selling, they're gonna start depositing your profit to your bank account. So you got to go to Kindle Direct Publishing, create your account, add your books. You want to SEO, on-page SEO them. I have other videos talking about that. I'm not going to go into that in this video, but I just want to show you right quick how to create a product that you can earn with online passively, okay? And your cover is very important, guys. You gotta have a cover that calls attention, okay? You want a cover that your target audience is gonna click through, okay? You want your audience to click on your product, and then they see your product with the inside tab, and hopefully it will convert into a sale. Now, Amazon will reward you if not your thumbnail, but your book cover gets clicks, right? This is something all the platforms have in common. I don't care if it's Amazon, YouTube, Pinterest, whatever, even Google with their headlines. They want the headlines or the images that gets the most clicks. Really important to remember. Okay, so this is, it's kind of creepy, kind of scary, and hopefully it will get me some clicks and people will purchase my book on Amazon Kindle. Again, don't forget to pick up all of these assets, the tools I use, everything down below. I'll have a link for you, and I hope this helps you out. Okay, be good, take care, and have a wonderful day.